Every relationship with human beings develops over time. Everything grows and develops and expands, and like this. So relations sometimes grow and sometimes dwindle. Relationships begin and relationships end. But of course, the relationship with Guru, that's why Guru is called Sadguru. Sad means eternal, Satchitanand. So Guru, we are eternal, Guru is eternal, and a relationship with Guru is also eternal. So now, it doesn't, everything, what happens is in the beginning there are certain qualities and certain attitudes and certain feelings of the disciple towards the Guru may not be awakened yet, or may not be felt yet, or perceived yet, or experienced yet. So in the initial relationship of Guru and disciple, the relationship is based on respect. That the Guru is my senior, the Guru is the representative of God, he is Sakshat Hari, he's not different from Hari. Every Guru has a human aspect. He has a human aspect. He eats, he sleeps, he gets sick, he wears glasses, or he doesn't wear glasses, or he gets operations, he passes stool, he buys clothes. So he has a human aspect, like we. But we should never see that, or we should never consider that. That's just part of being embodied in this world. We only see the Guru as Sakshat Hari, as a representative of Krishna, as one sense, equal to Krishna, in one sense, representative of Krishna. So just like Ganga has two aspects. It has a pure aspect and an impure aspect. So the Shastras say, if we see the foam, we see foam and dead bodies. We see foam and dead bodies and grass and grains and things floating on the Ganga, and we think, oh, the Ganga is dirty. No, the Ganga is not dirty. That's the surface of the Ganga. The dead body or the stool, some stool is floating on the surface, because the Ganga is pavitram, it's Charnamrita Vishnu, Trivikram. So it's always pure. So we don't consider that. We push away the grasses and mud and stool, anything that's in that, we push away that, and we take bath in the pure waters of Ganga and become purified of our sins and spiritually elevated. So Ganga is always pure.